Hi guys, I'm Julie, and in this video we'll show you a simple way to connect your phone and use the new tech in your 2018 Buick Enclave. We'll show you how to connect your phone using Bluetooth, connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot, send and receive text messages, as well as use navigation. Let's get started. You can connect your phone to Bluetooth in a few easy steps. First, you'll want to tap on the phone icon. Next, hit Pair Device. Now you go to the settings on your phone, and under Bluetooth, you'll click on it. You notice now that it is finding the Bluetooth IntelliLink. Click on that, and now you want to pair the pin. They match, and so you can hit Yes, pair to this device. Pair again, allow. We're synced. Several devices can be paired to the Enclave at the same time, and if you ever wonder which one is connected, you'll notice the orange checkbox right here. This allows your spouse, your friends, your family to pair their device when they're using your car. Sending and receiving a text is safe and simple, and you'll notice the text icon right here. To receive a text with the iPhone, first you must go under the Bluetooth settings. You'll notice the Buick IntelliLink, and right here is a little circle with an I. You want to click that, and then where it says Show Notifications, make sure that box is checked. This is the only way to send or receive text messages with an iPhone. To send an iPhone message while driving, simply press the voice activation button on your steering wheel to summon Siri. Send Ken Yonkers' Android a message.
What do you want to say?
Hey Ken, do you guys have plans this evening?
Your message to Ken Yonkers' Android says, Hey Ken, do you guys have plans this evening? Ready to send it?
Yes.
Done.
Answering a call while you're driving is easy. If you receive a call, all you'll have to do is either press answer on the screen, or you can simply push the hands-free voice activation button on your steering wheel. Hello? When you're on the road and you want to listen to music, your radio will automatically turn on once you select the audio. From here, you've got some options with the radio. Every time you push that button, it changes the frequency. We've got AM, FM, and satellite radio. If you hit the browse, you can see all the channels that you subscribe to as satellite. You can also see all of the channels when you hit browse. These are all the radio stations that are receiving signals. So when you're driving, you never have to listen to that fuzzy sound. You always have a channel that you can tune into. If you want to listen to your phone, hit the media button right here, and now you can tune into your playlist. Here's how to use the navigation in your Enclave. First, you want to click on the navigation button. And down here where it says destination, let's click on that. Address, you can go ahead and preload an address. If you're going to grandma's house, you can go ahead and put that in. It'll take you right there. If you only know the cross street, you can click intersection and you can put in the 2 cross streets. That's really handy also. Points of interest. This is a really useful tool. Anything nearby, whether it's a gas station, food, hotel lodging, you've got it all right there. Very quick and handy for you. Any recent contacts that you may have put in for the address are stored right here, so you won't have to type that in again. And then lastly, if you need to grab a contact from your phone, go to Change Contacts List, and you can grab it right from your phone, and then away you go. Next, I'll show you how to connect your tablet or any other mobile device to your Enclave's Wi-Fi. There's several ways, but this one is the easiest. First, you'll want to push the button next to OnStar.
OnStar ready.
Wi-Fi settings.
Wi-Fi. Please see the owner's manual for information about your Wi-Fi hotspot settings.
Here you'll notice that they give you a password. You can change this later to something that's easier to remember. Now your friends and family are connected to the internet. They can watch Netflix or YouTube videos, play video games, or surf the web, all from your Enclave Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this How to Connect Your Phone and Use the New Technology Features in your 2018 Buick Enclave. Like and subscribe for more 2018 Enclave tips and how-to videos on the new key features your vehicle has to offer. I'm Julie. I'll see you next time.